In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a Word document as a PDF. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable PDF that preserves your formatting and looks the same on any device. Start with your document open in Word. Head to the top left corner and click File. This takes you to the Backstage view, where all the saving and exporting options live. It's the best place to go when you want to create a fixed, portable version of your document without changing your original Word file. Next, choose Save As. This tells Word you want to create a new copy of your document. When you see the Save As area, click Browse. Browse opens a familiar File Explorer window so you can decide exactly where the PDF will go: your desktop, a project folder, or a cloud-synced location. While you're here, give the file a clear name so it's easy to find later. Look for the Save As Type menu near the bottom of that window. Click it to open the list of formats, then select PDF. Choosing PDF here ensures Word converts a faithful snapshot of your document, including fonts, spacing, and layout. If you see additional options, you can fine-tune a few things. Standard is best for printing and high quality. Minimum size helps reduce file size for quick sharing. You can also choose to open the PDF after saving, which is handy for a quick review. Once you've set the type to PDF and picked your location and name, save the file. Word will generate the PDF and place it where you chose. Now, press Ctrl+P on your keyboard to open the print preview. This is a great moment to double-check how your pages break, verify margins, and confirm that headers, footers, and images look right. If all you needed was the PDF file, you're essentially done. The PDF is already saved. But if you'd like a paper copy too, you're in the right place. From the print screen, select your printer, choose how many copies you want, and adjust simple settings like page range, orientation, and color. If your printer supports it, you can turn on double-sided printing to save paper. When everything looks good, go ahead and print. That's it. Click File, choose Save As, hit Browse to pick a location and name, set the Save As type to PDF, then use Ctrl+P if you want a physical copy. With these steps, you'll quickly create a reliable PDF version of your Word document, and you'll know it's ready to share, archive, or print with confidence.